So you might be trying to figure out how you can go ahead and make prompts within Instagram. Now this is a pretty basic process and it really does not take too much time at all. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is to understand what a prompt is. So what you can do is you can actually go through and just create prompts within your Instagram stories. And you can do this by clicking on the bottom and then making a quick story like this. And if you want somebody to basically, kind of make a prompt with you and go and, prompt somebody to do something on Instagram, you can go ahead and basically add this sticker option right up here on your story. And what you can do is you can go ahead and find a sticker that's going to have something that's going to be somewhat prompt related. And then you can have them basically go through and do something once that sticker is added. That's kind of the best way to kind of think about it. Now, on top of that, if that's not really what you're referring to, you can go and make prompts within Instagram by adding a note. And you can do this by basically going into your main profile right here, swiping over to the side, and then at the very top of that prompt, you'll see this particular portion that'll tell you to make a note. So all you have to do is go and make up a note right here, and it'll go and prompt you into making this, and it says share more with Instagram notes, whatever. So here I can go and make a prompt right here within Instagram. Here I can make a prompt within Instagram, I can go and post it, and that's pretty much all I'm going to have to really do here too. So those are basically the main ways to go and do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.